Looks like Casey's here. Workaholic Casey. It's like, man, where's Casey been, man? Yeah.
I had to change up the wardrobe today. Everybody keeps commenting that I keep wearing the same shit over and over. I got a Cali jacket on. I got no hat. I got no sunglasses.
So yeah, you know, we're gonna pull the car in the garage.
Oh, yeah.
It's unbelievably cold out here.
I know.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Lots of parts to install. Just let you guys know, we both just got off work, so we both are very tired in this video. So stay tuned.
Looks like we got some work to do today, don't we, Casey?
Yeah.
It's not the same without you wearing your jacket, though.
I know, right?
Let's close the garage and let's turn the heat on, because
Yeah.
this is not cutting it. We are gonna turn on the little heater. Alexa, how do you like my Harbor Freight light? I think it was like 30 bucks. Pretty cool. Works pretty well. Digging it. That rocks.
I'm only running on like 5 hours of sleep right now, too.
That's it?
5 hours of sleep and like 2 energy drinks.
Oh, fuck it. Let's do it.
Start doing intercooler.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll drop back.
We're using today. A Christmas present.
Big boy tools. Oh, let's look at it.
There you go. All right.
Hey man, what's this fucking shit?
Oh, that's for your air oil separator.
Is it?
Yeah, that's in the way.
Is it not attached to it?
No,
It's just stuck on the...
stuck on that hose clamp. Top mount intercooler is now off the car. Now we can access these bolts so that we can loose up the down pipe and install the up pipe. That was such a pain in the ass. We had to take this heat shield out. I think that's what
Now this would normally be an easy job, but Casey has an air oil separator from IAG, which got in the way of the removal of the heat shield.
70 bucks, 100 bucks. This was a pain to get out. Let me tell you.
Yeah. Almost gave up. Also, the air oil separator does get in the way.
All right, Casey's just down there loosening the down pipe. I know you guys can't see much, but you guys have seen videos on taking out or installing down pipes, so no big deal. Hey, Casey, you need some help, man?
I'm dying.
Told you we were tired. Casey just got off a 36-hour shift doing Sequel Squirrel submarine stuff.
What is that?
I'm dying. I hate heat shields.
I know. So, guys, I know we didn't film too much because some of these heat shields were a pain in the butt. They were just rusted and broken. And need some help, man?
No, I'm good.
All right.
I'm gonna cuddle with it.
All right. Thing's pretty heavy.
Yeah, this is the longest part so far. You can see this. These little squares are not supposed to break off. This one did.
Yeah.
Took like a fucking hour. Oh my god.
One heat shield.
Yeah.
Oh well. Now we're just undoing the bolts on the up pipe. I'm telling you, I think one of the hard parts in doing a big job like this is trying to find all your tools. See?
It's on the ground.
There you go. All right, so up pipe is now off the car. Surprisingly easy to take off. So, but this came out of the car really easily. Add that to the pile of junk.
Black and blue spring combo, which the tile chart says it's about 10, 11 pounds of boost, I think, which is kind of low. But I guess there's something with the boost control adjusted, I guess.
Yeah. So we're just gonna go with the tuner's recommendations for now, and then if they need to change it, we'll change it during the dyno session. All right, so we haven't recorded in a few hours because the up pipe and the external wastegate was a royal pain in the ass.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Yeah, I quit. We have the up pipe and the external wastegate put in loosely. We haven't tightened it. And then next thing you know, we got to put the header on.
Yeah, I ain't changing the springs if they tell me to put the wrong springs in.
Yeah, fuck that. Because we are beat. We are tired.
Woo! They're so shiny.
Yeah, look at that. Our downpipe's still down there. Still got to do that. Still got to put the intercooler on.
Oh, don't even remind me.
Yeah. All right, you got Casey down there. He's trying to tighten up the V-band to this pain in the ass external wastegate. You all right there, Casey? You good?
I'm dying.
No, you're not dying. There you are. You can see him. Say hi.
Hey.
All right, let's see how long it takes Casey to notice this. It's not the greatest, but.
Really? Really? Hey, why do all those YouTubers play the same song on like all their channels? I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about?
No, you're right. Casey got something new. He got something in the box today. You take a wild guess on what it is. Well, you guys will probably know.
Yeah. I just can't let the guy so quick, dude. 2 days.
Where'd you get it from?
Import Racing Image. First time I bought from them, but
Oh, yeah?
obviously 2 days came from Reno. So,
Oh, Reno.
yeah.
So if you guys are wondering why we got a new downpipe, and there's a reason for it. So the dump tube, the catalytic converter, or the high flow cat, gets in the way of the dump tube, so which forced us to get a new downpipe.
I'm sure there's other ways around it, but I didn't want to get it anyway.
Yeah, this is what, $300?
This was like $250.
Yeah, $250. So
Yeah.
might as well. It's just $250.
So it's even cheaper than the Canada one, so I'm selling that. I'm from Cali. I'm 24. I'm in the Navy.
What's your sign?
I'm a Cancer. June 25th, same day Michael Jackson died.
Oh, really?
Yep. Well, not the same day he died, but like, you know, like I wasn't born like 10 years ago.
Austin came by, man. Surprise! What up? I'm here.
I know you're coming through.
What up, what up? How is everyone?
EBG.
What's up, guys? It's Austin here. Right behind me, this is my 2009 GTR. So you guys want to know a little bit about me. I'm from Washington, of course.
TR is here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot. What are those, wastegates?
Yeah.
Right here, these are my tile wastegates. The blow valves.
Roasted.
Yeah, I learned that. You guys got it.
I got my downpipe.
Oh, snap.
Yeah.
Dude, that was fast then, huh?
Dude, 2 days.
2 days?
Yeah, free shipping.
Free shipping?
Yeah.
Are these guys local or something?
They're from Reno.
Oh.
Import Racing Image.
It's really not that far
Oh,
away.
yeah, no, that's not bad.
Yeah.
It's like half size of me.
I know.
So now we got the boost controller already installed. Now it's time to take this downpipe, which is really not much to see. I'm pretty sure you've seen a downpipe. The only difference is this is catless. The cool part about it is that we don't have to worry about smog regulations here in this county where we live at.
No cat.
Does the guy that's buying it know who you guys are?
I don't think so. You might.
Should be like, dude, $300, we'll sign it.
Oh, there are 2 cents on this one's in a different little spot.
Is it?
Well, this
Okay.
one's on the side, that one's up top. Is this the same?
Uh-oh.
I feel like one's longer than the other.
Is it for the right year?
Yeah, it said 16 or fucking. Are they 2 different lengths or am I just high?
No, they're two different lengths. Put it on the ground.
I know, I'm a little sewer rat. Oh, hey guys.
Hey, stay on my camera. It just says 02 up on there.
Yeah. I think it's supposed to be 08 up.
All right, so you know that downpipe we just drew on? It might have been the wrong part.
Man, Casey has the worst luck though. First the headers, then the up pipe.
I don't know what happened. I put my car info in and it was like, yeah, this pipe.
Struggles.
Yeah, it's not gonna fit. Fuck me, dude.
Yeah, it's a different chassis, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Car modding. Yeah. It's usually how it goes. Send you the wrong fucking part.
The next day.
Brand new downpipe. The last one was the wrong one. Hopefully this is the right one. Well, it already looks different, I could tell.
Where's my other thing? Gas. I ordered a new gas rig.
Did you?
I did order a new one.
Is that it?
Yeah, additional part.
That's the gas?
Yeah.
Alright, because,
And that looks more correct.
So what do we got, Casey?
Got the right downpipe now.
This is an NVIDIA Catalyst, just like the last one. The last one you probably saw. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in the video. We ordered the wrong one for the older generation, and this one's the right one. It looks different, so it looks longer. You can already tell.
A little bit longer.
You're gonna sign it?
So much more room. You actually signed this one.
Yeah, sign that one. Fuck it. Let's get the marker. Top drawer up there.